sticky mushroom.
How does it feel?
Dude,
Amazing.
I don't know. I feel like it's not real. Everybody? Okay, so, you know what?
He's already here. I know. But then
Graduation's tonight. What was tonight? And fucking, I'm really disappointed in my night right now because I haven't kissed anybody. I haven't laughed. Dude. I haven't laughed. I feel like it's like looking at me. I haven't laughed. I haven't kissed anybody. I haven't. Nobody's hugged me.
Joe hugged you.
Joe doesn't, he's all yelling at me and shit and glaring at me. You're so glaring at me. Chelsea left me. Kyle hates me.
You gotta make sure you don't have the hurt clip.
Rose glaring at me.
Yeah. Whenever she was sleeping around.
What? Do you have a secret to tell me? Fuck her. Fuck her, right? Fuck her?
Yeah.
Hi, Mom. Do you love me?
Yeah.
Will you love me? Will you love me? Will you love me?
Yes.
You love me?
Yes.
I think we should go to Chelsea's.
Okay, are we going? You're not going to
Go to Chelsea's. Hello? Yeah? Yeah, I'm okay. How are you? I think we're going to Chelsea's.
Hello? Hey, what's up? Yeah, we're fine. So when the cops showed up, we just hid her in the camper, kind of thing, and they didn't even notice she was in there.
Kyle,
Alright,
I'm
you too.
so freaked out.
Bye.
I'm a piece of shit.
Here.
Who's it? Hello?
No, it's.
Fuck you.
I'm not gonna keep on chewing it. It'll get softer.
I didn't stop it.
Yeah, I don't feel anything. That's not funny.
Where's my phone? Where's my spaghetti? I feel like you're all laughing at me. I don't like it.
I was laughing with you.
Yeah, good. High five laughing with me. Oh! You stop throwing my food.
Oh my god. No.
I got this. Don't worry about it, y'all. Don't be laughing.
Oh, it's on. Here we go. Sammy, you might want to get a new plate, honey. There might be glass down there.
Cool. I don't know where my plate is. Fuck up. Cool, don't worry.
You're sitting on what? Get up.
I'm not. I just really want spaghetti right now. You know, I think I need to go home. It's fucking gross.
Chelsea, will you fix her a bowl of spaghetti? Nobody will.
Nobody's feeding me spaghetti right now.
Cody.
Go, I'm gonna see you guys again.
There really might be glass on
No.
That's cool. I eat glass. I'm like,